I'm Chad Davis, your host of What's New Atlanta, your source to find out about new home communities before anyone else. Hi, Trevor.
Hey, Chad, how you doing?
Good.
Well, welcome to Salacoa. We are Calhoun's only water park community. I am Trevor Petty, and I want to show you everything that we have to offer.
Awesome. I can't wait to learn more.
Well, follow me. Welcome to Salacoa, where every day feels like a vacation. Life's truly better at Salacoa, Calhoun's most exciting community and home to the only residential water park in town. Picture yourself zipping down water slides, splashing in fountains, and lounging poolside on the sun deck. So here's a sampling of the 10 different floor plans that we offer here in Salacoa.
Okay. Why so many?
Well, we want to offer something for every lifestyle and every budget. Some of these homes are one-story ranches, some are two-story family homes, and we even have multi-generational homes for those that need that.
Awesome. Well, that's a lot to offer.
But that's not all. Our dog park, playground, and peaceful lake with an outdoor fireplace bring the fun right to your doorstep with lightning-fast fiber optic internet starting from 1 gig uploads and downloads, and stunning homes ranging from cozy ranches to spacious two-story layouts with up to 5 bedrooms. We've got the perfect home waiting for you.
I'm here with Tyler Bookshart, new home sales advisor with Artisan Built Communities. He's going to tell us what elevates them from the competition.
Thank you, Chad. Yeah, I wanted to tell you a little bit about us here and what we do to elevate. So we offer some things our other builders don't in this area. So we do hardy plank siding on the outside of our houses, as well as architectural shingles as opposed to their 3-tab shingles. We also do 16 inches on center for our studs as opposed to their 24. We offer granite countertops as a standard. We do termite prevention on all of the walls, not just the exteriors like other builders do, as well as we offer gas-powered appliances, which is a rarity in Calhoun. So I wanted to talk a little bit about the amenity center that we're going to be known for here. We're Calhoun's only water park community. So we're going to have a clubhouse here, a pool with a tanning deck. Here is our water park. It's going to feature 3 water slides. It's like a wet playground vibe. It's really cool. We have a playground here, 2 pickleball courts, an amphitheater, and a dog park. We have 2 ponds, one of which is 12 acres. It's great for fishing and kayaking. And it's fully stocked.
And let's talk convenience. Calhoun Outlet Marketplace is just 1.6 miles away, Buc-ee's is 3 miles down the road, and you're only 30 minutes from the LakePoint Sports Complex in Cartersville. Add in dining options galore and groceries like Aldi and Kroger just minutes away, and you've got the recipe for living your best life. Salacoa, fun, convenience, and style all in one unforgettable package. New homes from the 290s up to the 400s.
Okay, so this is our southern lake out here. This is our 12-acre pond, fully stocked for fishing as well as kayaking. We are about 1.5 miles away from our main amenity center, and that caps off all 180 acres we have for building your home.
Trevor, obviously I love the community and everything that you have to offer, but I have a question. Where did the name Salacoa come from?
So we borrowed the name Salacoa from the Cherokee tribe who had a village by that same name. and we borrowed it to imply that we are creating our own village here where your children can play with your neighbors' children and you can socialize with all the other neighbors of Salacoa here at our amenity section that we talked about. And we wanted to represent that it takes a village.
Trevor, that's great inspiration for the name, and I want to thank you again for the tour today.
Well, thank you.
See you next time. It's great being here in Salacoa today. Artisan Built Communities always does a great job, and especially with their amenities package. I'm Chad Davis, your host of What's New Atlanta. We'll see you next time.